It's a nice February morning, and I was looking at ways to carry a U-lock on my bike. Then I just figured out that something like this fits pretty well on this Topeak Super Tourist DX rear rack. I've got a couple of straps, so here's how it looks strapped in. And seems to be working out okay so far. And this works for shorter U-locks too, like this one right here. And here's how this one might look strapped in. So I'll see how this works out. I mean, I just take this on short trips to the grocery store, post office, to run errands, things like that. So I rarely go over like 5 or 6 miles one way. But I'll report back if anything weird pops up. Anyway, thanks for watching. And until next time, I'll see ya.